Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the day number 5 of 30 days challenge. Today I will talk about myself. Sometimes I feel lazy and disappointed. Because of that, some people around me, whether they are family, friends, relative, tell me something I don't adapt it. Some people say you don't do better in life. You don't fulfill your dream. My family do not support me, and this time I feel very um, deproductive, and my productive level is down. So then, I what I am doing this time, I do basically I stand one chair in front of my table and with one pen and one paper. So I thinking about my life. Why my Allah, my creator, create me. Definitely Allah have a plan. Allah has a plan. So I am man. This time I have in this world. I am the person, unique person. Around 8 billion people in the world. I have a face. Same faces don't have any people. I have a voice. These boys don't have any people. So this time I stand in a chair and uh, one pen and one paper. With one pen and one paper, I writing. I am a beautiful man and I have a dream. I am honest people. I have a dream and I love learning new skill. I I am honest too, and if I want to successful and I help many people. My creator has a plan, so Allah will help me. I am the person in the world right now. I have a plan and I have a dream, and yes, I can do, I can working hard and fulfill my dream. So I have a beautiful dream and beautiful life. I have a hair, I have a nose, I have a hand, everything, whatever I need, my creator give me. So this time I am alive. This is very, very important for my life. And I say, Shakib, you are a unique person. You are a honest man and you will fulfill your dream if you successful in your life, and if you want to be successful in your life, please believe in yourself. Please take care of yourself. Don't believe those who say you don't fulfill your dream, say something negative. You do not notice this noise. Please believe in yourself, working hard, and then Allah will give you success. You want something, please tell your Allah. They will help you. So sometimes I feel disappointed and my productivity level goes down, and then few minutes or sometime 1 hour I talking about myself, then I feel very comfortable and I feel very confident and I feel very productive. So this is the video, and today day number 5 of English learning speaking challenge. So I uh, try to speak English fluently, and I try to better my English speaking. I try to learn every day new vocabulary. So I hope, and I want to speak English fluently, and I will achieve it. So this is the 30 days challenge and day number 5. I hope, and I feel something, my speaking better for day 1. So inshallah I will continue this journey and 30 days. So if you interest and if you want to learn English, I recommend you follow this step. um, First of all, you learn basic English, present, past and future, how you make sentence present, how you make sentence future, how you make sentence past. And then you need some know vocabulary, and then you talk to in camera. So this is the video, and see you next video. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, take care and bye bye.